Juana from BodyHair. So today I'm going to show you guys our armpit here, and it's like our new item. It goes up here. So I'm just going to show you how this item looks. It's hand tied on the lace, so it's air breathable, and you can even wear it in summer. And I'm going to show you guys how to wear it. Okay, I'm going to show you guys how to arrange this tape. So first you need to split them into two parts from the middle line, and you will see the middle line when you get the tape by using scissors. So don't worry, you wouldn't divide them in even because there's a middle line. So yeah, then we're just gonna put it on for both of them. So we just put those two split tape on. So then we're gonna arrange the two tips, the up one and the lower one. Okay, we're gonna cut the actual paper off so you know the actual edge of the tape. So you can cut for the tips of this armpit here. Same as a lower tip. You don't have to cut them like perfect. Okay, this hair is pretty. This fabric is pretty soft, so you don't need to worry it's gonna break you when you put it under your armpit. So yeah, this is the result of it, and you can see I'm trying to pull it, so it's pretty stable, steady. But you can pull it out; it's not gonna hurt you. So I'm gonna show you guys how to pull it out soon. So yeah. This is how it looks when I put it on down and up. So I'm just gonna peel it off. So please peel it gently. Of course, you need to shave your own armpit before put this product on. Okay. When you take this tape off, you can just peel it. Take the edge and just peel it. And it's not hurting your lace, so don't worry.